Apple Diap, Darla Soler confirmed 2 days sold out of SB19 in Philippine Arena. SB19 may not have confirmed that the day 2 of their Simula at Wakas World Tour kickoff concert at the Philippine Arena was a sold-out, but international film star Apple Diap and Darla Soler of ABS-CBN have already done that. Apple Diap posted, "Congrats to my boys, SB19 on selling out 2 nights at Philippine Arena. What a truly amazing feat. Husay nyo SB, mabuhay kayo." Meanwhile, Darla Soler also posted, "Soft hours to SB19 and 18. Congratulations and thank you, aming mahalima, for always giving us your best. We all enjoyed the Simula at Wakas kickoff. Sobra kayong nakaka-proud. Goosebumps mula sa simula hanggang dulo. Napakahusay nyo, and as always, we are all amazed by how you marry excellence and heart in every performance you make from day 1. 18, grabe. 2 sold-out nights sa Philippine Arena. But more than the dummy, I just want to express how I love being with you, watching the boys. Dahil every time I'm in the crowd with all the 18, I feel like I'm part of one big happy and emotional family. Walang gender, walang estado sa buhay, walang edad. Basta lahat tayo nagkakaisa sa pagsuporta at pagmamahal sa SB19. Mula sa wala po kaming endorsements era to them being our P-pop kings now. At gaya ng isinisigaw ng buong arena for 2 nights, hanggang dulo walang iwanan, mahalima. Now, the people in the arena themselves are saying it was a filled-out concert on day 2. At maging tayo ng mga timbahay ay nakikita natin na kung gaano kadami ang tao sa day 1, which was a confirmed sold-out, pero halos ganun din kadami ang tao sa day 2. SB19 could have proclaimed it as a sold-out so easily, pero hindi nila ginawa dahil mas nakafocus sila at ang buong team in giving the day 2 audience a world-class experience just like in day 1. Sigurado ding hindi in-expect ng mahalima na pati sa day 2 ay mapupuno pala ang arena. Well, sa husay ba naman at ganda ng kanilang day 1 concert, nagsipagbili agad ang mga tao para sa day 2. Kaya may kumpirmasyon man o wala, you can clearly see that it was a filled-out 2-day concert. Pero ang mas importante, the audience went home with their hearts and minds filled with happiness, satisfaction, and fulfillment from SB19's concerts.